Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the recruitments open for the librarian as well as for the lecturerships for the assistant professor. Here you can see this is for the candidates for assistants professors. There is total 544 posts available in the government jobs for the assistant professors: English, Telugu, Urdu, Sanskrit, Sans, microbiology, biotechnology. Here you can see there are the total 544 of vacancies available here, and for librarian there is 12 vacancies are there. So if you want to apply, you can apply through the official website www.tspsc.govt.in, and the last date of application to this is 20th of February 2023. You can apply till that day. Apart from that, there are more vacancies open, that is for the what you call motor vehicles inspector. If you want to apply for this also, you can. Assistant motor vehicle inspector, there is 113 post available, and you can apply till 1st of February 2023 till 5 o'clock. And there are one, you can apply through the same website tspsc.govt.in. And one more vacancy which was opened here, you can see that is 78 post available for account officer, junior accounts officer and senior account officer, and the last date of the application is 20th January 2023. You can apply through tspsc.govt.in. So they need accounts officer, one vacancy is there. For junior account there will be a 13 vacancy, and for the senior account assistant there is 64 vacancies available here. And what else, one more vacancy is there, that is for librarian post. So total 17 librarian posts will be available, and you can apply for this application till 10th of February 2023 through the website tspsc.govt.in. So here you can see librarian under commissionary for intermediate education, 40 vacancies there. For commissioner of technical education there is a 31 vacancies for the librarian is there. You can apply for this, and if you want more notifications like this, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive more notifications regarding the government jobs and posts. Thanks for watching.